G'day guys, this is Robert. Dale's given me the camera today to do a check on my new bike. Got a Pivot Firebird 29, the Pro XT/XTR build. It's not brand new, but it's got all the good stuff. Got the Fox factory 36 forks, Float X2 shock, XT 4 piston brakes. It's a Shimano 11 speed, which so far has been fine. Don't really need that extra gear. There's plenty of climbing gears with a 32 chainring. And interestingly, I'm 184 centimeters and I'm riding a medium, which actually feels like the perfect size for me. According to the specs, I should be on a large, but I test rode a large and it just felt a little bit too long. Yeah, so this thing just loves any rough downhill track. You can just point it straight down and it eats it up. Really planted, but at the same time pops off jumps, and it's okay as a trail bike as well, which was one thing that I was a little worried about. But spent a bit of time getting the suspension set up how I like it, and it just seems to work. The only thing that is not quite so good so far that I found is a really steep climbs or a technical climb. The front wheel tends to come off the ground a little bit, which is a little bit different to my Trek Remedy that I had a 27.5 bike. But there's not many times that happens, so it doesn't really bother me. But for flat climbs, like up fire roads and reasonably smooth climbs, it climbs better than my Trek Remedy, which is a bonus. Oh, he's really gouged himself. Oh, he's done his face as well. Oh, the guy who's done it, I was looking at his leg and then he's done his face too. Oh, this bike loves this bumpy stuff. This is a good test track for it. Dale's got a bit of pace on today with his Z brakes. That's alright. A few different line choices on this track. There's another one there. Stay off the brakes. Yeah. Got a bit hectic there. Oh shit, no wonder you were so sketchy on those slippery bits. This is another good test track, double overhead cam, it's quite rough. Don't think they do too much maintenance on it. Oh, that trail hasn't got any smoother. Yeah, so in summary, this bike, very planted on the rough stuff, but still with the short chainstays, she's pretty poppy and very playful still, even with the big wheels. Gets in the air alright, jumping. I'm not that good at jumping, but still jumps pretty good. I think the quality of the suspension makes a big difference in the bike, and she's not too bad on the road as well. So definitely happy with my choice. I was looking at maybe getting an SP130, which may have been a better bike, but would have cost a lot more. So for the price, I think this is the right choice.